With warm and clear weather, dry conditions continue every day. Currently, dry weather advisories have been expanded to most parts of the country, and dry weather warnings are in effect for most parts of the East Coast, Chungcheongbuk-do Province, Daegu and Gyeongsangbuk-do Province. In addition, strong winds of around 20 meters per second will blow along the coast and the mountainous areas of Gangwon-do Province until tomorrow. In these winds, small embers can turn into large fires, so please take extra precautions. Tomorrow morning, Seoul will start off at 12 degrees, Busan at 13 degrees. There will be high temperatures across the country tomorrow. Rain is forecast across the country on Thursday afternoon to ease off the dryness of the atmosphere. That's all for Korea. Here are the weather conditions around the world.